to my kitchen. For those of you who are new to my kitchen, welcome to my kitchen. For today's episode, we're going to make a bread, and it's going to be an artisan bread, and it's going to be very simple and easy to follow. So let's make some bread today. Okay, on this bread you will be needing 3 cups of all-purpose flour, or if you have bread flours, you can use that as well. A half teaspoon of dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 2/3 cup of warm water. Don't use a boiling water, just a warm water. Alright guys, that's the ingredients you need. We also be using additional 3 tablespoons of flour, so we will use that once we work on our dough, alright? So once you mix all the flour with the yeast and salt, then you're ready to mix the water and then mix them together. Your dough will be sticky. That's basically how you do it. It's very easy and very simple. Yeah, pour the water and then mix them together. That's it. So after mixing, your dough will look like sticky, like this one here. And then afterwards, you have to cover it with cling wrap and then leave it to your countertop for 8 hours, or I do normally overnight. But don't forget that you're baking a bread, okay? And then we'll do the next step afterward. Alright guys? So this bread, there's no kneading required, so all we have to do is to fold it. So now let's spread some flour, and now we'll get our dough and then dump it here and then just fold it. Make sure you have enough flour on your countertop, and then you have to also spread some flour on the top of your dough and also with your hands, and then we'll start to fold it in a few folds, and then we'll shape it into round. That's it. That's basically all you need to do. There's no kneading required on this. Very easy and very simple. And we'll shape our dough into a round one, and then put some more of the flour on the top. Then the next thing we have to do is to put in the parchment paper and throw it back to the bowl and cover it with a towel, and then let it rest for 15 minutes before we'll put it in the oven, okay? That's how simple and easy it is. To bake our bread, we'll be using a Dutch oven pots. So we'll need to preheat the Dutch oven pots in the oven with the lids on for about like 25 minutes or 20. It depends on how you like to heat it, but I normally heat it at when it reaches 375, I remove it. Okay, so we're gonna bake the bread for 450 degrees, all right? Okay, make sure to use a mitten because the pots will be very hot. So once you're ready and your oven turned into 450 degrees, all you have to do is to dump your bread with the parchment paper on it, and then put the lid back and then put it in the oven for 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, we have to remove the parchment paper, and then we'll have to bake it again for 18 minutes, and that's it. Here is the bread. When you reach the 30 minutes, all we have to do is to remove the parchment paper, and then we'll put it back again without the lid. So there's no lid on, and then we'll put it back to the oven for another 18 minutes, and we're done. You'll see how crunchy and delicious this bread gonna be, okay? Voila! Here is our bread. You hear that? It's crunchy and it's gonna be soft inside. I can't wait to start cutting it. Somebody will be very happy on this bread. Anyway, we'll let it cool for a while and then we'll start to cut it. I can't wait to put some butter on it and taste it. I'm so happy this bread turned out really good. So here it is, the moment of truth. See how crunchy it is? And it's soft inside. Oh my god, I love this bread. Yeah. Hope you guys can try to make this. It's very easy, very simple, with few ingredients, and you're gonna love it. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you to all the subscribers and to all the viewers of my channel. Thank you so much. I see you around in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye for now.